The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for West Pottawatomie County in southwest Iowa. This includes the city of Council Bluff, East Douglas County in east central Nebraska. This includes the city of Omaha, Sarpy County in east central Nebraska. This includes the city of Bellevue. Until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, trained storm spotters were tracking a tornado 6 miles south of Papillion moving to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the path of this tornado include La Vista, Carter Lake, Crescent, Underwood, Neela, Minden, Ralston. This is a dangerous storm. Move into your tornado shelter now. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy structure such as a basement. The city of Omaha and the Interstate 80 corridor between Council Bluff and Minden are in the direct path of this tornado. Seek shelter now. This is a dangerous situation.